All right, so um, for you guys need to know is this. For you guys, you need to know is why this is not showing. Okay, for you guys need to know is there's three type of log. First, it's called a common log. Oops. A common log. What do you mean by common log? Do you guys know what common log is? Log base of 10, right? Good. Okay, that's not helping. What am I doing?
What did that mean?
What thing? This thing? Okay, go full screen. Thank you. Okay, so I imagine one day I'll let Nelly to sit here and on my iPad. I think she'll have a lot of fun. Get your own iPad, dude. Other people's iPad is better than you. Actually, that's probably a good idea.
It was something like really random. You can have your calculus village.
They erased that, right? All right, so for me, that there is a first type of log. It's just log with no base on it, and so this empty space here, it doesn't mean that there is no base. It's like square root doesn't mean that there is no number in the index. This just means there's a square root there. So that's this common radical. But in terms of common log, it's going to be this. This is equal to log base of 10. So this is called a common log. Okay. Second. Yeah. So second, if I write down log, now you can have a different type of base. What's another type of base you can have? E. And that will be natural log. Okay. Now, of course, there's all other type of log. So, for example, log base of 2, log base of 3, log base of whatever, b, and but there is no log base of negative number. So usually it's positive. B is greater than 0. So there are three type of log. Now, when do we use common log? There are three situations that use common log. One is a sound, decibels, and decibel in terms of use logarithm. There's another thing that use logarithm is earthquake. Earthquake scale, I don't know. There's something. This earthquake scale is called, huh? Yeah, the Richter scale. Oh, thank you. That sounds really smart. Yeah.
The only reason I know Richter scale is
Because what?
Wow.
Because what?
You don't want
Okay. All right. So Richter scale is a by base of 10. So what does that mean? This means anybody go through earthquake before? In Korea or in?
Yeah, I showered through it somehow.
Okay. How old were you? How old were you?
This summer, actually.
Really? Okay. No, they do make a they do in Japan, in Korea, they do make a building can withhold earthquake scale of 6 to 7. The recently Taiwan has earthquake of 7.2. I'll see if I can show you a video of earthquake scale 7.2. Let me see.
being so dirty, bro. Stop being so dirty. Yes,
Those of you guys never seen earthquake before, it they can cause this much damage. Actually, there's a one that there was one I saw is I literally saw a building just shaking like this. It was like this, and then they eventually just crumble. They don't show that, but I don't know which one I saw. But it's happened really recently, and the building the thing just shake to this point, and that's how bad the earthquake is. So the thing about earthquake is they go by Richter scale, and thanks for McKenna and Bennett. I didn't know the name of it. I know it's some type of name scale. But their scale is based by log scale, by common log scale. So if you have earthquake of 6, and you're like, oh yeah, I have earthquake of 7, but you realize from 6 to 7 is 10 times worse. And from 7 to 8 is another 10 times worse. But from 6 to 8 is 100 times.
What's the highest ever earthquake of 8.1?
8.1, yeah, they usually happen in like middle of Chile or Argentina, where nobody lives, and not a lot of damage. They say they anticipate like one of the major earthquake is gonna happen in San Francisco and in LA, just because they are called Ring of Fire. Ring of Fire means Malaysia, Taiwan, Japan, Alaska, California, Argentina, Chile. This is called, and Hawaii. Thank you. It's called Ring of Fire. So those of you guys need to know some extra information. Here's the extra information. Now, for AP Chem, I'm gonna help you review for AP Chem. How do you find pH? Huh? Oh yeah, but yes, that's litmus test. Thank you.
Philly, 1960, there was 9.5.
Yeah. So pH is the way to calculate pH is actually not just by litmus test. Is you can use something. You can see how many hydrogen ion. So it's negative log of hydrogen ion. So it's log of H plus. So that just say if you have 0.01 molar of hydrogen chloride, so for for your chemistry review, hydrogen chloride is 100% dissociation. So that means 100%, 0.01 molar of HCl is going to become 0.01 molar of hydrogen ion. And if you have 0.01 hydrogen ion, you can install it here, and you can say negative log of 0.01, and then you can calculate the pH. Now, what is the pH of this? Well, this means log base of 10 of 0.01 is equal to x. So you draw a sideways heart, or 10x equal to 0.01, and 10x equal to 10 to the negative 2. X equal to negative 2. And you plug it back in here, negative times negative 2. Then your pH is equal to 2. And that's how you find the value of pH. Now, there's a relationship between pH and pOH. pH plus pOH is 14. So that means a pOH of this is actually 12. So, yeah, that's... Then there's also pKa and pKb you have to know. And pKw. pKw is 1 times 10 to the 14. Or negative 14. I don't remember. Whatever. So this is just a little bit of... yeah, a pOH is going to be 12. So that's just a little bit review of chemistry. But this class is not chemistry class, so we're gonna talk about how do we add and subtract log. So actually I want to talk about something I didn't mention before. If you have natural log of e is equal to what? 1. Good job. Natural log of 1 is equal to what? No. 0. Okay. So that means there's a graph of natural log you're supposed to memorize. And it's going to be helping you later. So it's going to be like this. At 1, it's going to give you 0. And at here, it's going to go to negative infinity. At e is going to give you 1. So at e here is going to be e comma 1. And this is a natural log of x graph. You have to know this very, very well. Because natural log of e is going to give you 1. Natural log of 1 is going to give me 0 according to this graph. Now, what I'm going to say is you must know following thing. I'm going to use natural log, but they apply to log. So you can replace all the natural log with the log. But there's a product property is natural log of m n equal to natural log of m times n. That's called product property. There is a quotient property is ln of m minus ln of n equal to natural log of m over n. The third property is a natural log of n m is equal to natural log of m to the n power. And that's the power property. So there's a product, and there's a quotient, and there's a power. Obviously, there's one more. It's called changing base formula. So if you have a logarithm base of b of m, you're going to have natural log of m over natural log of b. Now, also can be equal to log of m over log of b. Now, I prefer this one over the other one. This is preferred. Okay, with that being said, this is called changing base formula. Okay. With this being said, you should know how to expand a log. For example, if I ever have a natural log of x squared over y to the third square root of z.
Can you scroll up a little bit?
Sure. Oh, before that, sorry, I want to talk about something else. Remember how to convert the logarithm to exponential form to log format? How do you convert? In my class last year, I told you the sideway heart. Do you remember that? I think Bennett called it butt cheek.
I don't think I did that.
You don't think it's not you?
Maybe. It might
I don't
have
know.
been.
Something you will say last year.
I think that's something anyone did. Anybody. Probably just one of the 100 skinny white guys.
Well, Bennett is more mature this year, though. So last year could possibly you say that. So it's gonna be log base of 2, and go to the other side. 8 is equal to 3. That's how you convert. Now, if you want to convert back to exponential form, you're gonna start with a base again. Draw a sideway heart. So be 2 to the third is equal to 8, and that's how you convert from exponential form to logarithm form, and logarithm to exponential form. This one, I'm going to show you how to expand. So if you can watch a video, that's fine. It's going to be x squared minus natural log of y to the third times z.
And just keep separating the condition into the actual stuff. Alright.
Okay, so today's homework, you're going to have to expand this. Or you have to solve. Yeah, we're done. Bye.
Look, man, he's already doing it. I'm gonna keep going around. It's good name.
Misha trying to walk to there, and she said to try to avoid Misha. Misha, Phoenicia.
I wasn't gonna come to school. I would have to build tower. Oh my god, physical games. No, we're not. Alright. What's the